If you want to use the Expert Advisor that is built in this video, just download it by clicking on the link below and use it for your own AI codebase.
In this video, we are going to create an Expert Advisor that uses the Money Flow Index indicator to show us when a currency pair is overbought or oversold. Let's see how we can do that. To get started, we click on the little icon here or press F4 to open Metaeditor. In Metaeditor, we click on File, New, Expert Advisor from Template, Continue. I will call this file SimpleMFI. Click on Continue, Continue, and Finish. Now we delete everything above the OnTick function and the two comment lines here. The OnTick function is the main function that will be called every time a new tick comes in for the symbol that is attached to the chart. Inside this function, we first create an array for several prices. This array will hold the values that we get from the Money Flow Index indicator. We declare it as a double array and give it the name myPriceArray. Next, we define the properties for our MFI Expert Advisor. We use the MFI function, which stands for Money Flow Index. This function takes several parameters. The first parameter is symbol, which means we want to calculate the MFI for the current symbol on the chart. The second parameter is period, which means we want to use the current time frame. The third parameter is 14, which is the period for the MFI calculation. This means it will look at the last 14 candles. The last parameter is volume tick, which tells the indicator to use tick volume for its calculations. The result of this function is stored in an integer variable called MFI definition. After defining the indicator, we need to sort our price array. We use ArraySet to sort the array from the current candle downwards. The first parameter is our array myPriceArray, and the second parameter true means we want to sort it in reverse order, so the current candle will be at index 0. Now we copy the buffer data from our MFI indicator into our price array. We use copyBuffer for this. The first parameter is MFI definition, which is our indicator handle. The second parameter 0 means we want to get data from the first buffer of the indicator. The third parameter 0 means we want to start from the current candle. The fourth parameter 3 means we want to copy data for 3 candles. The last parameter is our array myPriceArray, where the data will be stored. Once we have the data in our array, we need to get the value of the current candle. We access the first element of the array, which is myPriceArray, at index 0. We use normalized double to round this value to 2 decimal places and store it in a variable called MFI value. Now we can display the MFI value on the chart with appropriate comments. We use the comment function to show text on the chart. If the MFI value is greater than 80, we display overbought followed by the actual MFI value. If the MFI value is less than 20, we display oversold followed by the actual MFI value. For all other cases where the MFI value is between 20 and 80, we simply display the MFI value without any additional text. This Expert Advisor does not open any positions, it only displays the MFI values on the chart to help us identify overbought and oversold conditions. When the MFI is above 80, it suggests the market might be overbought and could reverse downward. When the MFI is below 20, it suggests the market might be oversold and could reverse upward. Now we press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you maybe want to check out the premium course on our website, or watch one of the basic videos first. If that works, we go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and are to start the strategy tester. Pick the Expert Advisor that we have just created, which is SimpleMFI, enable the visual mode and start a strategy test. Then we should see the Expert Advisor on the chart displaying the MFI values. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an Expert Advisor that uses the Money Flow Index indicator to display overbought and oversold conditions on the chart. You have coded this Expert Advisor yourself with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.